What are the most common types of wrongful death cases? Attorney Stephen Boutros says, the most common types of wrongful death cases arise out of motor vehicle collisions. Obviously, it's rare for children to survive drowning accidents because they happen so quickly. It's rare that a child is going to survive more than 3 or 4 minutes after being submerged and his lungs are filled with water. If he does survive, usually that child is going to have long-term traumatic brain injury from the brain being deprived of oxygen for that period of time. There's a multitude of ways that kids can drown that aren't just limited to swimming pools. We recently handled a case where a family had rented a river home in the central Texas area, and the boy was in the water when his father was lowering a boat lift, which was wired negligently. It sent an electrical current into the water, shocked his son, and his son went to the bottom of the river. The father dove in frantically searching for his son's body, but beneath a couple of feet, his vision was terribly clouded. He finally found his son after being submerged for about 3 minutes, and he pulled him and transported him to an emergency room in San Antonio. He survived, but he suffered a catastrophic brain injury. The tragic thing about drowning cases is they happen so quickly. The damage occurs in such a small amount of time. People who have the duty to supervise the children have to be vigilant. Another type of case that we've handled involves water parks. A lot of times, these water parks hire teenagers to act as lifeguards or supervisors who are more interested in checking text messages and playing with their cell phones and flirting with the other lifeguards than they are in actually supervising the children. So we've handled several cases involving catastrophic injuries to children in water parks due to being improperly supervised by lifeguards. For a free phone consultation, contact attorney Stephen Boutros in Houston, Texas at 713-425-4300 or visit him on the web at www.boutroslaw.com.